All right, so this is how we label cabinet door openings. So we want to label them, like we'll start at one side and go 1, 2, 3, 4, go all the way around the kitchen, and then continue down here. If there's like a ton of them, like this is 50 pieces, we could start over again at like 1 with the drawers too, just because there's so many numbers, but we're just gonna label these openings for now. We're gonna put them back in here like halfway, because when we mask off, we don't want to get that stuff caught up. And with the drawers, we'll actually start over with 1 and 2, just because we have so many pieces in this kitchen. And these ones, you have to have 2. So we're gonna label the actual door, and then we'll put an extra one. When we take this off, we're gonna label them in there too, because these will probably end up taking them out and putting them off to the side. So that's how to label cabinet, door, and drawer openings.